Hello my friends, today it's time for Static Models 1.8 metal, plastic, big, heavy, fantastic, perfect lights, and today we have something special. I don't want to tell you what, but if you look with attention to all the video, you will understand, I think. This is not an entire assembling video, it's just a part of the assembling, and I hope you will find it interesting, because this is one of the most complicated cars. I made kit, there's a video, and it was quite complicated. Just for the wiring, there are a lot of functions, lights and so on, and but this has more, and you will see. Comment, like and subscribe. For the records, I will carry you in a very nice place. Look at the video. Do you recognize this inside of the car? I am making this Back to the Future, the DeLorean. It's a fantastic model, static model, but with everything you want. And now I'm making wiring, and wiring is very important thing in this car. Look here. There are tons of lights, of cables and plugs, wheels. It's fantastic. Working on this is really nice, because it remembers me of the film. Great film, one of the best. Up to issue 51, this is the situation for the interiors. Really a lot of wires, but I think it's wonderful. And the general situation is this. The car begins to appear. Not bad, really not bad. Keep on going. It's amazing. And this is just to show you the mess of wires you have to connect to let all the things work. There are 23 connectors, and here we have spare connectors that I don't know where they will go. Big work. here we are, my friends. We are in a special place. I can't say you where, and but perhaps you can understand. Behind me we have a lot of models, and we are here to see the complete car. It is this fantastic, wonderful, with the door opening, and I think that you can see on the net there are a lot of videos, wheels, show you better. Isn't it nice? The hood is opening with a spare wheel. Also this can open, but it's quite complicated because there's over this one that has these hooks, and but you see, this is a super model. And there are lights too, a lot of lights. You have seen the cables, the wiring, and so on. And if you want to see lights, I suggest you to look in YouTube. There are tons of videos. I don't show you lights just to have something different, and because I'm not a good person. By the way, you see that I'm wearing a winter jacket. We are at the 22 of April in Milan, not North Pole, and there's the global warming, but the temperature from up to now, and today especially, is about 4-10 degrees, no more. And this is global warming. Well, I'll let you find the answer. I think that we have the fear government. It's very easy to govern with fear and to sell electric cars, saying that cars are the problem. Cars' income are the problem. Cars' manufacturers are the problem. Our economy is a big problem. And we are near at the summer and it's very cold. We had snow at 600 meters. They say, yes, it comes from the North Pole, as there are very warm zones, that's for pool, the freezing zones, and yes, they can say everything they want, but the fact is that since 2 years in the mountains here around Monte Rosa, perhaps someone of you can understand what I'm saying, Alpi, Monte Rosa, we have snow also at the first days of summer. A few years ago they were grey, now they are quite white. Oh, there is a lot of questions with no answer. The only thing is comment, like and subscribe. Ciao!